Hello and welcome. What is Java? Java is an object programming language. Object-oriented programming is an approach to programming that breaks a programming problem into objects that interact with each other. Java was developed by James Gosling, who worked at Sun Microsystems, which has now been bought over by Oracle. Java is one of the most used and popular programming languages. It was released in 1995 and still going strong. Java is platform independent. That means programs written in Java can run on any platform. It can run on Windows, it can run on Mac, it can run on Linux. Java can be used to develop a variety of applications from different environments. For example, you can use Java to develop web application, standalone, enterprise, and mobile. With mobile, it is used in Android development. Java code has to be compiled into what is known as a bytecode before it can be used. It is the bytecode that makes it platform independent. So let me quickly explain what that bytecode does. What that means is that when you write code in Java, it looks like English, you can read it. But for the computer to be able to read it and understand it, that code has to be compiled into a machine code. But what Java does, it compiles it into what is known as a bytecode. That bytecode makes it independent. So you can take that bytecode if you are on a Windows machine and you convert that bytecode into the Windows machine code to execute the program. If you're on a Mac, you can take the same bytecode and then convert it into the Mac local machine code. The same thing with the Linux. So it is the bytecode that makes it platform independent. Each of the other platforms then has to convert the bytecode into their local machine code. Java program runs inside what is known as a Java Virtual Machine, or JVM. Why should you learn Java? Java is widely used and popular. According to Oracle, it is used to power over 3 billion devices. So what that means, there are 3 billion devices that run on Java. It is used to develop Android apps, which are used for mobile devices. It is platform independent. And you can also write the code once and run it anywhere. Java is object-oriented. It is simple and secure. It is architectural neutral. By architectural neutral, basically what I mean is that the Java compiler generates an architectural neutral object file format, which makes the compiled code to be executed on many processors as long as they have the Java runtime system. Java is highly portable and robust. It is multi-threaded. By multi-threaded, what I mean is that it is possible to write programs that can do many tasks simultaneously. Java code is interpreted. What I mean by that is that the actual Java bytecode is translated on the fly to native machine instructions and is not actually stored anywhere. So that bytecode is what makes it independent, and that bytecode can be interpreted based on the machine that is interpreting that code. Java is high performance. With the just-in-time compilers, Java enables high performance. Also, Java is distributed. It is designed for distributed environment. For example, the internet, standalone, enterprise. Java is also dynamic. By dynamic, basically what that means is that Java is built to adapt to an evolving environment. So that is it for why you should learn Java and what is Java. Also, Java developers or programmers are well paid as well. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.